Assalamualaikum students, welcome to another video from UI code 127.0.0.1. Students, in my today lecture, I will teach you about a tool that is called Netcat. If you don't heard about this tool before that, I assure you that definitely after this lecture, your all concept will clear about this tool. So keep in touch with me with your full attention during my whole this lecture. So I will show you some practical example of this tool, how you can actually use this tool. Okay, if we talked about the Netcat, it's a network utility that uses the TCP and UDP connection in order to read and write in a network. Students, you can use this tool in order to read from something to a network, and you can also use this tool to write something in a network. Okay, it can be used by both the attacker and security auditors. I will move to my terminal machine for some practical example. The basic command of Netcat is netcat-h and hit enter. You can see it will show you some guidelines about this tool. You can follow these guidelines in order to use this tool. I will move step by step. First, I will show you how you can perform port scan. Students, Netcat can perform both the TCP and UDP scan. You can perform both the TCP and UDP scan by using this port. First, I will scan TCP. So I will copy the command from here. Due to the shortage of the time, I'm not going to the type command. I will just copy and paste. I should here change the IP address, and students, here I specify the port number. I give the range of port is 1 to 100, and you can use these switches in TCP scan. And you can also store the result in some file. If I type here file2.txt and hit enter, okay, its processing is start and it will take some time to complete itself. Meanwhile, I will move to my second scan, that is UDP. Students, you can use -u speech for UDP scan. I will just simply copy the syntax from here, move to my terminal, and I will paste it here. And now I should specify here the IP address, that is 192.168.18.25, and here I specify the port. As you know guys, the UDP services are running on ports 161. That's why I specify the port number is here, and now I will hit enter. Okay, it started processing. It will take some time. Okay, it's completed the result. Here you can see it show me that SNB is open of this target machine. So this is the UDP scan. Okay, TCP scan is not complete yet. You have to wait. Let's move next. Okay, chatting. Students, Netcat can also be used to chat between two users. You can use this for chatting, and but before that we need to establish a connection. Okay, to set up this all, we will be using two devices. One will be play role as an initiator and other one will be listener. Okay, I will move to my terminal, and here I will start a listener by using netcat command nc-nlvp, and I will suggest here port. You can type any one port. Right now I will type here 442 and hit enter. Okay, now I will move to another machine, that is initiator. Students, here I will type NC and the IP address of my Kalilinux machine. This is the listener. So here you should specify the IP address of listener, that is 192.168.18.187, and here I should also specify the port number. I think port number is 442 and hit enter. Okay, if I typed here hi, how are you, and hit enter. If I move to Kalilinux, you can see chatting is present here. Okay, if I type here I am good, what about you, and if I move to the Ubuntu, you can see chatting is present here. Okay, see, this is also. So in this way you can actually perform the chatting between two devices by using Netcat. You should first activate the listener, and then initiator is also need to be set. Okay, let's move next, banner grabbing. Students, you can use Netcat for banner grabbing. If I type here, I'm going to quit from here. Okay, I typed here NC192.168.18.25 and now I will type here port number, that is 21, and if I hit enter, okay, if the port 21 of victim machine is open, then obviously it will display me some result. Okay, if I activate this command again, okay, I should put here dot and now hit enter. You can see it successfully show me the banner that FTP service is running on this port, that is port 21, and the version is this one. Okay, if I type here port 22 and now hit enter, okay, I think port 22 of the victim machine is not open, so right now it does not show me any result, but here you can see it successfully show me the banner of port 21. So in this way you can perform banner grabbing by using Netcat. Okay, let's move to the next task, that is file transfer. Students, by using this you can also transfer one file from one machine to another. So first of all I should create a file. I'm going to quit from here. I typed here nano file 10.txt and I should type here some data, anything you can put. Okay, I'm going to save it. Okay, let me show you. File 10 is created, but nothing is present in it. I'm again try to. Okay. If I check the file 1, I don't know, new file is not created, but if I check file 1.txt, okay, nothing is present inside it. I don't know there is why this error is occurred. If I switch to another directory, now if I create file 1 and try to put some data inside it, okay. Students, here a file is present, that is file 10.txt. Now I will show you how you can actually read this file from this my another machine, that is Ubuntu. I will move to my Ubuntu machine. Okay, here I should activate the Netcat listener. I typed here NC-NLVP and port number is this one and hit enter. Okay, Now I will move to my another machine. Here I type and see the IP address 192.168.18.187, and then the port number, that is 555, and then greater than file 10.txt, and hit enter. Okay, I think the correct syntax is this one. When I typed this command, nothing is shown to me. As you know guys, in file 10 nothing is present, but you can see I'm successfully connect to the Ubuntu machine. See here. In this way you can transfer file from one device to another. Okay, the next one is grabbing the HTTP banner. Students, HTTP banners are now cannot be fetched easily as they contain the server information. Students, you can find the server information by using netcat command. So for this purpose I am going to copy this command from here. Okay, move to my terminal. I am going to quit from here. I will paste the command, and now I should specify here, specify the IP address, that is 18.25, and the port number, that is 80. If I hit enter, okay, 25, it successfully fetched the HTTP header. You can see here HTTP request, the server, it's successfully find the server information, that is Apache 2, and the version number is also fetched. So students, this is all about my today lecture. In this lecture you learn about the Netcat, different terminologies of Netcat, how you can actually perform port scanning by using Netcat, how you can perform chatting by using this tool, banner grabbing, how you can perform, how you can transfer file from one device to another. You can also know about now how you can actually perform banner grabbing by using Netcat listener. I hope you will do practice about it. I will come to you with my new lecture. Till that, Allah Hafiz and take care.